In today's video, you will learn how to insert the degree symbol in Microsoft Word. The degree symbol is commonly used in temperatures, angles, and measurements. And knowing how to insert it quickly can save you time and make your documents look more professional. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the degree symbol to appear within your text. This ensures it will be inserted in the correct position without needing to adjust it later. Next, navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Within the Insert tab, find the Symbols group and click on the Symbol option. This opens a drop-down menu where you will see common symbols. To access more symbols, click More Symbols at the bottom of this menu. Doing so opens the Symbol dialog box. In the Symbol dialog box, you'll see a font drop-down menu near the top. You can leave it set to the default font or select your preferred font to match your document's style. Next, locate the Subset drop-down menu, which allows you to filter symbols by categories. Select Latin 1. Supplement from this list. This subset contains many commonly used special characters, including the degree symbol. Scroll through the symbols until you find the degree sign. Once located, click it to select it, then click Insert. The symbol will be added to your document at the cursor position. After inserting, close the dialog box to return to your document. A handy tip is that once you've used the degree symbol, it automatically appears in the recently used symbols list under the symbol option. This means next time you want to use it, you won't have to reopen the dialog box. Just select it from the recent symbols menu. Alternatively, you can insert the degree symbol using a keyboard shortcut for even faster access. Place the cursor where you want the symbol and press Alt plus 0176 on your numeric keypad. It's important to note that this method works only if your keyboard includes a numeric keypad, often found on desktop keyboards or extended laptop keyboards. Using either of these methods, you can easily add the degree symbol whenever you need it, improving your workflow and document presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit us with a like. Thanks for watching.